Hello friends, welcome back to Blockchain Inside Out. Level, and if you click on your, so I am clicking on that and we have land up on this page. This is, and you can see I am having 38k average favor coin, and my coin my points are 58k points. So here downwards you can see perks. Click on that and you will see the second airdrop of social redemption session 2, and you can see 1.4x. That means I am having a multiplier of 1.4x, and that point, as my level is L3 level 3, so I will get maximum of 30k redemption. Perk is there, expert is there. Then it will be shown. So first I'll click on that, and you can see only 41 hours 35 minutes are left. So hurry up, don't sleep on it. You are guaranteed at least 7,643 social best on your current holdings average, as long as you redeem at least 1 point. That means if you redeem at least 1 point, you will get this amount of social point, what is written on your account according to your level, right? You may be than my level, so you'll redeem more amount of favor coin into your accounts. Now session 2 formula, holding social holding multipliers, who are holding the first session's airdrop, they will given multipliers. So as I am holding, so I am getting 1.4x, redeemable points is 30,000, so I can maximum redeem 30k points, and guaranteed allocation is 7,643. So what I will do, I max redeem points for session 2. To your Phaver wallet automatically, so you don't have to wait for anything, you don't have to do anything, you just click on that and click on got it. That's all. Clear perks. So don't waste your time, you are only having 41 hours left. Thank you for watching.